So today in this mini lesson, we covered very basically the comment that fiction is about fake stories or made-up stories. We went through a few of the most common literary genres, and literary just deals with fiction, like novels and stuff, and genres just means what type of story. The genre is the type of story being told. The examples of genres we went through today were fantasy, science fiction, commonly called sci-fi now, realistic fiction, historical fiction, and adventure stories. So each of those is a genre or a type of fiction story. We also went through some characteristics of each genre. Characteristics are just descriptive details that lets you know which one you're talking about. Just like you and I have characteristics. We might have black hair, short hair, we might be polite, we might be silly. Each of those are characteristics that we use to differentiate each other, and each genre has characteristics as well. We then went through a Venn diagram in order to compare and contrast some of the basic details or characteristics. And remember, the Venn diagram was just kind of those two overlapping circles. And one thing that you are comparing and contrasting goes on that side, the other thing on this side, and the stuff that you can compare or they have in common go in the middle. Contrast or different goes under each of the outside circles. And so that was compare and contrast. Compare is how are they the same, contrast how are they different. And then lastly, we touched upon settings, characters, and conflicts, and what types of settings and characters or conflicts you are likely to see in some of these genres. So again, I am not an expert at this, clearly, and hopefully, I'll bring in some computer or some more visuals and stuff if this is helpful to you. So, and I know I made mistakes, probably misspelled a couple things here and there, and you know what? Teachers are human too. I just want to make sure that we have something here for you. So skip through, do what you need to do. Any questions that you have, post them below, and if you have any homework assignment topics that you're struggling with, let me know the topic, maybe give me a few details about what it is that you're reading, and then I will do my best to bring you a mini lesson. Shki.